Good evening, everybody. Rob here with your 7th of September Western Pacific weather update here. Still a few areas we're watching here. The remnant of 10 whiskey will still actually currently a tropical depression. Should be a remnant by tomorrow morning as the system's making its transition to an extra tropical storm. It's really inflicting the westerlies here currently. I see about 30 to 40 knots of wind shear in that area, so it's definitely taking its toll on the system. Actually, start to see some advection with it, some warm advection coming in from the south, and a little bit of cold air coming in. So that's really what the big transition will come from. Also, it's starting to rush off, speeding up to about 20 knots recently, 50 knots on the last warning. So the system's going to run right over Honshu today and run right over north of Tokyo, the Kanto plain here. Actually, some precipitation looks like since it's moving a little farther south than originally expected. We'll look at it in a second, but looking out, we're in the Western Pacific. The Western Pacific highs really dominate today. That's it. That's the big thing out here. This looks kind of scary, but it's actually an upper level low kind of thing off here, and this is actually pretty good news because there was an invest here to the east of Taiwan, and this upper level low has put a lot of shear on this invest area, which has really rapidly dissipated it and kind of moved off the south, and lots of shear. There's some good convection in it, but there's no circulation to speak of with this system. Let's move back up to 10 whiskey and we'll look at this real quick here. Now, as 10 whiskey begins the weekends here, it's pretty confident in the forecast over the next 48 hours. It's going to move directly to the east here, along with these streamline analysis. Actually, this is 700 to 850 millibar streamline analysis, and it looks it's really going to follow this right around the west eye here, which is definitely the driving force right now, and also you have the another high pressure up to the north, and basically this trough digging in from north as well. So overall, it's just going to follow along with that trough and move straight off to the northeast rather rapidly, especially as it's up into this tighter gradient in here, this tighter flow actually. Otherwise, though, actually looking down in this invest down in here, but like I already stated, it's kind of getting sheared off to the north here. There's some vorticity right in here. That's what this is also indicating, by the way. Positive vorticity with these red here, and negative with the blue in here. Positive is actually pretty good for upward vertical motion, showing some development and convection. As we seen on the satellite picture a minute ago with this area down here, there's some good convection associated with it. This is the most recent radar out of Japan here. Still showing a little bit of circulation with this. I'm actually seen on radar. You can kind of see where the center of circulation would be right in here. Still some convection, but as this moves up in Japanese Alps, a lot of this stuff's going to get rained out rather quickly. So overall, the Kanto plain doesn't look like it's going to get hit too hard by tomorrow, actually midday tomorrow to tomorrow night. And that's relatively good news here, although could use some precipitation though overall, but basically the big area to watch here, as for some possible flooding, is right on the western side of the Japanese Alps here. Definitely could see some more aggressive lifting and some extra precipitation rained out from this storm associated with that. But that's really all for today, everybody. Basically, still watching whiskey here. Gonna probably see some flooding along the western slopes, as already noted. High pressure really dominating most western Pacific. Still got some precipitation down here in the Philippines and up near Taiwan, associated with the remnants of this invest here. But the good news is, right now, looks like we're not going to see too much development over the next several days. So good news overall, and hope everybody has a good day. And thank you for listening.